Here's the quick rundown of today's top stories. Saturday, March 15th. Duterte appears virtually at ICC. Next hearing is set on September 23rd. The International Criminal Court, or ICC Pretrial Chamber 1, has set former President Rodrigo Duterte's confirmation of charges hearing on September 23rd, 6 months after his arrest early this week. Pre-Chamber Trial 1 presiding Judge Julia Antonella Motok said the date might be postponed by the Chamber, depending on the progress of the proceedings, either on its own motion or upon the request of the prosecution or the defense. The confirmation of charges hearing is when the Chamber decides whether there is sufficient evidence against a suspect, determining if the case should proceed to trial. The ICC allowed Duterte to attend the hearing via video link, citing Duterte's long journey. His counsel, former Executive Secretary Salvador Medialdea, was present in the courtroom. Roque set to join Duterte's counsels. Former presidential spokesperson Roque said he is set to join former President Rodrigo Duterte's team of counsel as he faces trial before the ICC over crimes against humanity. Roque, who was seen in public for the first time in months on Friday morning, March 14th, Netherlands time, said in an interview prior to Duterte's first ICC appearance that he had signed up to be one of Duterte's lawyers. As of now, only attorney Medialdea is recognized as his counsel because he is the only companion. But we have filled up all the documents in order to be included in his team of counsels, Roque said in Filipino. He also disclosed that they would try to postpone the hearing. Bato hopes for fair Supreme Court ruling on Duterte's arrest. Re-electionist Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa says he is hoping that the Supreme Court will make a fair ruling on the petition they filed to challenge the legality of former President Rodrigo Duterte's arrest warrant from the ICC. De la Rosa hoped that the High Court would not be swayed by politics, because we know we are a co-equal branch of government. I hope that they're sure of their decision and not considering any politics or pressure from other co-equal branch of government, not even from the Senate, that one of its members is one of the petitioners, he said in a recent interview. He's in good spirits and well-rested, VP Sara says as she visits father in ICC custody. Vice President Sara Duterte assured that her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, is in good spirits and well-rested while being detained at the ICC detention facility in Scheveningen, The Hague, for charges of crimes against humanity of murder. The vice president met her father for an hour on Friday, March 14th, Manila time, after his first hearing at the pretrial chamber of the ICC to hear the charges against him. Moreover, Vice President Sara Duterte appointed British lawyer Nicholas Kaufman as the lead counsel for her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, in the ICC trial for crimes against humanity. She announced this after the ICC's pre-trial chamber hearing, which Duterte attended virtually. Kaufman is listed in the ICC's public counsel registry. Hip-hop artist Sean Diddy Combs pleads not guilty ahead of May sex trafficking trial. Sean Diddy Combs returned to federal court in New York City on Friday, pleading not guilty to the latest version of an indictment charging him with 2 decades of sex trafficking crimes. The 55-year-old Combs, his beard noticeably grayer than even weeks ago, stood with his hands folded before him as he told Judge Aaron Subramanian that he had read the indictment and understood the charges against him. Combs, who has been held without bail since his September arrest, hugged 2 of his lawyers as he entered the courtroom, and he blew kisses to family members and waved as he was led out by U.S. Marshals afterward. Stay updated with the latest news. Visit our website at www.mb.com.ph or follow us on social media. Thanks for tuning in to the Manila Bulletin Daily.